Hello everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today guys I'm going to be teaching you how you can buy hosting and domain from the guys from Hostinger. Yes, so the first step we're going to be taking today is going down and click in the link below this video description, and after this you're going to be checking a website like this, and after that you go and click here where it says domains. Click here for you to get a big discount when it comes to domain registration. Yes, so after this, you're going to be checking this screen. For example, domain name search, buy a domain in minutes. For example, you are going guys to buy your desired domain. For example, I'm going to type my domain, espnhosts.com. Yes, for example, this is my desired domain because it's about web hosting. For example, you can ever type your domain according to the business you are going to offer. Yes, for example, click where it says search, and the machine is looking for my domain. Yes, it's available. Domain is available. espnhosts.com is available. Then after this, I'm going to click where it says add to cart. Yes, and the machine is preparing my precious domain. Yes, you're almost there. Complete your order. Choose a period, espnhosts.com. For this period of time, I'm going to be choosing, you can choose 1, 2, or 3 years. Yes, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be choosing 1 year. Click here, and I'm going to pay $9.99 in this time. Yes, create your account. Don't forget, if you don't have an account, you can ever log in with Google or with Facebook, or also you can check, you can put your email here. For example, my email is Tony Correa 123, for example, at, for example, gmail.com. You guys type your email because that is where your credentials are going to be sent. Yes, my password, for example, it says minimum of 8 characters. Yes, 1 number. Yes, one symbol, 1 lowercase letter, and yes, like this. Yes, is here. Then select payment. Remember that you can buy with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or CoinGate. Yes, here is the registration. espnhosts.com domain registration, 1 year. Yes, $9.99. Yes, after this I'm going to type my email, first name, for example. You guys need to type this, Tony, last name Correa. Phone number is optional. Country, you guys are going to choose the country where you live. In this case, I am in Peru right now. For example, Lima is the capital city. Lima is address is Los Angeles Street. Yes, zip code is 01. Yes, plan discount with a big discount with the link that I provided for you under the video description. You're going to be discounted $6. Yes, so you guys are going to pay this quantity of money, $10.17. Yes, after this, because I chose to pay with credit card, remember that you can ever pay with PayPal, but for now we're going to be paying with credit card. And we scroll down, name of card. The name on my card is like this. Yes, Tony Correa. The numbers of my card. Yes, yes, and a month of expiration is in July in the year 28th. Yes, CVV code is the security code of your credit card or your card. Is usually 3 numbers in the back part of my card, and after this you guys are going to submit secure payment. And after this, after you check here, the information is going to be sent into your email address. After this, guys, you can ever come back and check if you want to buy your hosting for your domain. Yes, in this case I am talking about hosting for your domain. After this, we're going to be checking here. For example, they have bring your idea online with a website. Remember that you bought your domain, and this hosting is going to be for your domain. Claim deal. For example, here, choose your web hosting plan. Yes, we have the premium, the business, the cloud startup. Yes, For example, everything you need to create your website, click here. Yes, you're going to be paying this quantity of money. I mean, $2 plus 49 cents per month, $3.69 or 8.99. Yes, let's buy for today. Let's buy this the most popular. Yes, for example, you're going to buy hosting. You're going to be paying $3.69 cents per month. You can check the features here. For example, increased performance. You're going to host 100 websites. You're going to get also 200 gigabyte NVMe storage, daily backups, SSL security for your website to be secure for payments and other things, free automatic website migration, WordPress acceleration, and many other features. Yes, so let's imagine we want to buy this. Click here where it says add to cart, and the machine is also preparing my my package. You're almost there. Complete your order. Yes, here are the detailed description what I'm going to get. For example, I'm going to host 100 websites, free SSL certificate, manage WordPress. Yes, choose a period. You have 48 months, 24, 12 months, yes, and 1 month. But it's recommended to buy at least 12 months. Yes, otherwise it doesn't make sense. For example, with the 12 months, you're going to buy. You're going to be paying $4.49. Obviously, the more months you get, the less you are going to pay. Yes. For example, let's imagine, guys, you want to buy this one, the 48 months. Yes. It's like for 4 years. So you are going to buy a hosting for 4 years. Yes, and you are going to pay this quantity of money. Yes. Also, you create your account here. Remember to put the same email, Tony Correa 123 at gmail.com. Remember to put your email. This is just it's my email, right? But you guys are going to put your email, yours. Yes, so you can also sign up with Google or with Facebook. Yes, the payment you can buy with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, or Bitcoin's CoinGate. Yes, so here's the description: business web hosting, 48 months plan, daily backup, all the details here. First name on card, for example, here you're going to put the name of your card. Yes, yes, Tony. My last name is Correa. Yes. A phone number is optional. The country where you live. Well, I am right now in Peru. The city, this is optional, but the country is very important. Yes, as you can see, plan discount 74% with the link I provided below this video description. Yes, so you're going to pay just for today $178.12. Yes, here is you have to fill the credit card details, name on card, Tony. Here, the number of my credit card or my card to buy my precious hosting here. Yes, a month of expiration of my card. I'm going to put July, the year 2028. CVV code, a security code, 3 numbers in the back part of my card. Yes, and after this, guys, you are going to click where it says submit secure payment, and then all this information is going to be sent to your email address, and you guys are going to manage your domain and hosting to create your own website for your business or for any purpose you need a website for. Yes, I appreciate that you were watching my tutorial. Thank you very much. Good luck.